as the number increased above 20, they decided to have like a regional task force set up between the detectives. And so they invited me to the meeting since I had all the pertinent detail in the spreadsheet. And so we had meetings about what cases belong, what cases didn't belong. The detectives usually stuck to ones that had, as you mentioned before, the surveillance cameras. They mentioned, oh, we only have this many because, we can verify that they were there. And I'm like, okay, well, that's good. But I have exact same suspect descriptions and vehicle descriptions in these ones that we don't have cameras for, but it fits their pattern to like 100%. So I kind of just kept that list. And almost at one point, I think I had two lists going. One that was like the official list that the detectives would, kind of bless, and then one that I had off to the side that had an additional like 10 robberies that they weren't originally were willing to accept. So comes down to it, we end up arresting the two suspects. Fast forward to the trial, they look to my spreadsheet and see just as I submit the whole entire spreadsheet to the lead detective, and then case goes on and they end up getting convicted on I think a total of 35 robberies. And that was the exact number that I had on my spreadsheet. So
Nice.
I was told by the detective that yes, we had so many robberies attributed to them, but the DA and the judge kind of looked at my spreadsheet and basically said, "Oh, what about these other like 10 or so robberies? Can we throw them on there too?" And we're like, well, the analyst says that they're related, so yeah, sure. So they ended up throwing those on there and increasing the charges onto the two suspects.